छोड़ा salon छोड़े पिंकी छोड़ा मोंडी खंडे छोड़े मोंडी को लालू पिंकी छोड़े अदांको growth लाने ना salon ना खाला मोंडी define मोंडी खाला ना तो तो शोधे ना increase in size and mass नमकी वाला खाली size छोड़े जो है ना रे जिथे योरा छोड़े जो बहुत सारा जो है mass का size नहीं increase छोड़े ना मोंडी नहीं उन खाला criteria मोंडी नहीं लगता नहीं growth she do le jo la she do jo la only increase in size na mass ata ho raya ani growth the fundamental characteristic of living beings the khare lo se namu na ma vishay ke re living beings ina so ego sim chen na ra so be ina inji minji khajuri growth chu le na ra khare the fundamental characteristic le da defining it is not the defining characteristic defining mare khana physics so the growth the defining characteristic de la regina yora growth chine sama living beings the temple then yora growth chine sama living beings mare kana also growth kari definition khadari increase in size and mass kara increase in size tingma energy khare read on yora khali ga to low ni increase size show yora ene ko to living beings show mara and then growth ding also living so being sama growth show is don't chine fundamental characteristic of living beings there growth kala and it's teaching our growth the unique rate kana unlimited growth throughout their life kunzo yora teaching yora ya growth chide orda kunzo kedi shira shishimashi bod yora growth chide orda face na yora helge yora salon shell chide orda odi kind shola na due to meristem na dividing cells plan ola khare na meristem na meristem ani meristem khando khala dividing meristem and meristematic tissue bile dividing cells the divide chide orda and says the divide chide ni khajore plan thalong chide orda chide orda ya ani ni ko leda ani ori chide orda ani shini growth the plan teaching our unique here ya khanna lije khanga ko chide orda to human na ya lije khanga shimo mada stage ga di growth chide ni stop chide ra ani growth la yora year yo to yo na yora primary growth lanji na secondary growth ni yore primary growth then teaching height increase to your height access to height ring only the primary growth here and secondary growth the girth secondary growth the khana na ya girth na ya so bomse ya teaching to this actually only increase here on the secondary growth here and next face is the growth on your face finish your stages to your meristematic elongation and maturation on your day meristematic and color meristem because dividing cells laga meristematic na yora ta the teaching yora take the color za zeni wa ni ring dura ani this dombo dura yarga zeni take dura da zeni dos ya khang dura de color spread out channel zeni dora da this is the meristematic tissue dividing cells. This is root in the root. This is no tissue. This is cells in the cells divide she add on she add and then tapo this is dividing cells. Only the meristematic only divide face only meristematic elongation the cell divide divide she cut the divide cell divide she elongate on the face elongation and the maturation cell elongate and while I said cut divide she second say while I said how much from the mature in sense someone to function cell function only share goods on the face of the shape meristematic elongation maturation. Next, growth rate. Growth rate increase growth per unit time. Unit time specific time spend chicken and growth only growth rate only growth rate and growth is a plan generally initial growth this and next is rapid increase and next thing, nutrition, enrichment, and the stationary phase. Growth rate, the graph خليه شيء أنا شو شو هذا أنا face image layer أنا استويش sigmoid curve ليه كذي growth rate graph ناتو على جنا curve image ليه فمو خليه growth شيء أنا level increase شيء I guess nutrition rate مرة عشان stationary phase like growth share كمان يلا stop شو لا مرة stationary دي order rest to your resting phase to your and just to the graph your sigmoid curve and illustrate يلا the growth the theory share يلا this so much يلا conditions or factors for growth the growth teaching growth share يلا conditions to grow أنا وين إذا كذا كذا conditions for some كذا كذا لا خلي بالك قول لا 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 teaching يدي جالس تلوش هلا أنا خلي بوليس شو عليه شو practice color light soda yes image ini siapa mirror nutrients to good water light light का हम बोला light इंडिकेशन को खाला ना fishing photosynthesis छोड़ा खाला सोरा लोमाइटी खाला सोनी चुरावा चुरावा था light इंडिकेशन को चे oxygen इंजन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को ले temperature चला रहा ना fishing ना ले temperature तो ये depend छोड़ region में यार fishing थांग में यार तो लाता रहा है fishing थांग में क्या है यार लाता रहा नम्शी थांग में माना fishing नम्शी थांग में हम adapt चीज़ें जिक्र हो रहा 니 차와나는 그때 우리도 차와다 남신의 표현이 nutrients 보여셔지 아니 소화가 인샤라 that differentiation the differentiation and redifferentiation this is going on for research there going on there this and the color na differentiation na ya so dividing cells yuda fission na colors ne dividing cells ne la sa dividing cells na cell ji ni la divide shore जो दिल्ली में डिवाइड हो गया रहा से डिवाइड छी हो गया यार डिफरेंशिएशन ना यार से डिवाइड छी रहा से दिन यार दैट डिवाइड छी स्टॉप छी डिवाइड छी कैपेसिटी दी रहा यो मतलब पर ये जी रहा था तो कैपेसिटी स्टॉप छी और इन खा जो रहा डिफरेंशिएट छवा मींस डिवाइड छी वाली पूरा फंक्शन स्पेसिफिक की परफॉर्मेंस ओनली द डिफरेंशिएशन है नंगे मतलब डिफरेंशिएट सेल्स ना यार cells in the divide matching any function specific function to perform change na only core differentiation na bose sa cell divide chho ma the cell bigi namge khare mere cell na to bani cell divide chi dora differentiation cells the differentiation process they were other good shit the differentiation cha la la na konzo divide chho ma re process divide cha process the capacity loss cha re any function chika function the differentiation now is there. The thing you put capacity the loss as the J in your or study and capacity to go another level. Young one divide show. The second function of student performance. I'm going to your divide shade the capacity on the level. Divide it to I'm going to divide cheese. And they go and divide cheese. Only like the differentiation area. And you redifferentiation number area. The whole divide chinia, but also any form chida, cell form chisa. Kunzo area. Kunzo the show. kunzu kare dicho kunzu ya kunzu divide chigodara misal ena de kunzu product reform chisa product dinso ya divide share ke bes ko ne yota ya me yo share process repeat chiro chasa amu differentiate chasa and next yang mun chite ya and ko different research later only ya division na ya divide share ke bes loss show the loss can end to ke bes lera and next topic development and all changes that an organism goes through during its life cycle in the sense birth natural death changes changes hormonal changes in the kind of the only any development example in a form seed germination to senescence. Seed germination is only what you write. Changes 도 color highest na khari na yara changes khari do khari thi na on samana development ne yara anti garata plasticity le khara sta plant yara keju ji tishin keju yara plasticity le khara na ngi in yara chuna ne sinh na de na bi sa ne sinh na so environment na be yara ni so de subu ar chashi the law na this chara na yara na de ko shop by da shop yara one na shi yara plastic na sing ka yara sa ai ni sing na chuna ai ni sing yara environment na da ni so de chashi structure changes le ja structures le yara pena ka shi ni na ka shi da ka sing sing yara sa ai ni sing na chuna ai ni sing ko ni ai loma yara loma shi lo ai ni ye jo tha only the two of them because the environment basis on environment adapt here to and so the structure standard is only the plastic now there the next khalana plant growth regulation plant growth also plants halon share wali regulation ta chichuni loya regulate chimera tabo chimera only there the only one of us the before hormones era plant growth hormones amodi oxygen digala dina kare detail ye ko re ni ra function do kharo pa khasho lo ni ko shi andara ni oxygen de ta ko ko na ye na ra root and stem axis ka root ta stem dite de ra te de la oxygen di produce de oxygen produce sho ra ani dite la ra ani ka je na ra ye di promote flowering Fishing is a dichora, Metokiora, what did you show it? Method fishing is a method robashira, always in the robashore, and it prevents fruit and leaves from dropping at early stages. The fruit, loved into initial say Kiora, that wanted to the emotion, they just robashora. And in you are the Kalana. This because this guides me on board for the acidic rate and it the height increase over show and the cytokine nutrient mobilization as a so stitching now nutrients in the yam as the contributor bora on the show Lomasa cytokine over show and it highly the she got Shikha apa shorter. Ini yang flowering lah sebab ni measure ya. Only lah apa shorter. Ini root kita tapi bush ada kita pun dia ada. Only lah apa shorter. Ini acetic acid kita juga lah. Macam kalau fishing loma lah, so macam ya. So macam kat tangan ada, kat semua only lah ini shorter. Anti lah
the Chajimam Koraya, the percentage said Ushana and the minerals is this Mangshudo Kuda. There are pie chart of state or the Rostensio. Pie chart now, Mineral Mangshuda, the minerals now Karakarsu, the air, the water mine bishop.
Minerals are two minerals and nutritional. Tilas are nitrogen, potassium, sodium, magnesium, chlorine, nutrients on the calcium. This is how much mineral and nutrients on the nutrients are the micronutrients that macronutrients quality mana where the country micro where all the dictionary. Other means put a tipata, nutrients hamagora, kashi quality mangora, kashi is hamagora, on the nutrients of the mambo beer. What you need this passage mana de ora. What do you need? Mathematic dosta, mathematic level. On the color. Very systematic tissue lord. orada. Only mathematician na yara. Cell ma push nyam dura tissue form chora. Mathematician ya cells zera. Divide chi de orada. Group tissue chi form chora. It is a divide chi yara. Thank you to orada. Ma to deja. Divide it medicine lazım dura. So some dividing cells and some corner to orada. Cells divide chi ni jara. Growth promotion dura.